Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will delve into the reasons why Tesla should fear Toyota Motors. The electric vehicle industry has witnessed remarkable growth and innovation in recent years. With Tesla emerging as a dominant force, Tesla's charismatic CEO, Elon Musk, has led the company to become synonymous with cutting-edge electric vehicles and sustainable transportation. However, amid Tesla's meteoric rise, another automotive giant, Toyota, has quietly been advancing its electric vehicle strategy. This video explores the reasons why Tesla should fear Toyota, despite its current market leadership. Toyota is not just an automotive giant, it is a global automotive icon. With a history spanning more than 8 decades, Toyota has consistently proven its ability to innovate and adapt to changing market demands. The company's reputation for reliability and quality is unparalleled, making it a formidable competitor in any market it enters. Tesla, while innovative and exciting, has a relatively shorter history, having been founded in 2003. In contrast, Toyota has a wealth of experience in manufacturing and distributing vehicles worldwide. Toyota's proven track record in building and scaling operations should not be underestimated, as it can be a significant factor in its ability to compete with Tesla in the electric vehicle market. One of the critical challenges for electric vehicle manufacturers is scaling up production to meet growing demand. Tesla has faced production bottlenecks and challenges in the past, which have led to delays in delivering vehicles to customers. Toyota, on the other hand, has a well-established global manufacturing infrastructure that can be leveraged for electric vehicle production. Toyota's production capabilities are a formidable asset in the EV race. The company's experience in mass-producing vehicles efficiently and at scale can help it quickly ramp up production of electric vehicles, potentially surpassing Tesla in terms of sheer numbers. As the electric vehicle market continues to grow, the ability to deliver vehicles in large quantities will be a significant competitive advantage. While Tesla focuses exclusively on battery electric vehicles, BEVs, Toyota has a strong presence in the hybrid vehicle market. Toyota's hybrid technology, pioneered with the introduction of the Toyota Prius in the late 1990s, has been refined and expanded across its vehicle lineup. This experience with hybrid technology is transferable to electric vehicle development. Hybrid vehicles, which combine internal combustion engines with electric motors, offer unique insights into powertrain integration, energy management, and regenerative braking systems, all of which are crucial elements in electric vehicle development. Toyota's expertise in hybrids positions the company to make a smooth transition to fully electric vehicles and compete effectively with Tesla. Tesla has made significant strides in expanding its global presence, but it still lags behind established automakers like Toyota in terms of market reach and dealership networks. Toyota has a well-established global presence with manufacturing facilities and sales networks in numerous countries. This existing infrastructure provides Toyota with a strategic advantage in entering new markets and reaching customers. In addition, Toyota has a loyal customer base built over decades. Many Toyota customers may be open to transitioning to electric vehicles within the Toyota brand, giving the company a head start in the competition. Tesla's direct-to-consumer sales model, while disruptive, limits its ability to leverage established dealer networks and customer relationships. Tesla's rapid growth and expansion have required substantial investments, often resulting in financial challenges. While Tesla has managed to secure funding and generate substantial market capitalization, Toyota boasts a more stable financial position. Toyota's financial resources provide the company with the flexibility to weather economic downturns, invest in research and development, and fund large-scale electric vehicle initiatives. In the fiercely competitive automotive industry, access to financial resources is critical. Toyota's financial stability allows it to make long-term strategic investments in electric vehicle technology and infrastructure, potentially outlasting competitors with more limited financial means. Another reason why Tesla should fear Toyota is the latter's diverse vehicle portfolio. While Tesla has focused primarily on luxury electric vehicles and, to some extent, electric trucks, Toyota offers a wide range of vehicle types, from compact cars to SUVs to trucks. This diverse portfolio allows Toyota to address a broader market and cater to a wider range of customer preferences. Moreover, Toyota's ability to offer electric versions of its popular existing models can be a game-changer. For instance, the electric Toyota RAV4 or electric Camry could appeal to existing Toyota customers looking to switch to electric vehicles. This strategy leverages Toyota's brand recognition and customer loyalty to gain a foothold in the electric vehicle market. Sustainability has become a core focus for the automotive industry. Both Tesla and Toyota have made significant strides in reducing the environmental impact of their vehicles, but Toyota's commitment to sustainability extends beyond just electric vehicles. The company has been a pioneer in fuel cell technology and has invested in hydrogen infrastructure. Toyota's multifaceted approach to sustainability, which includes electric hybrid and fuel cell technologies, positions it as a holistic solution provider for a more sustainable transportation future. This broader approach may resonate with environmentally conscious consumers who are not solely focused on battery electric vehicles, potentially putting Tesla at a disadvantage. While Tesla has been a trailblazer in the electric vehicle market and has garnered immense attention and market share, it should not underestimate the formidable competition posed by Toyota. Toyota's long-standing reputation, manufacturing capabilities, hybrid expertise, global reach, financial resources, diverse vehicle portfolio, and commitment to sustainability all make it a worthy contender in the electric vehicle race. Tesla's dominance in the electric vehicle market is not guaranteed, and it would be wise to recognize Toyota's potential to disrupt the status quo. The competition between these two automotive giants is not just about electric vehicles. It's a battle of experience, resources, and adaptability in an industry undergoing a seismic shift towards sustainability and electrification. In the end, the winner of this race will likely be the one that can best combine innovation with proven automotive excellence.